Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Goan coconut pork curry. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have with me half medium size grated coconut, 18 pieces of button chilies. You can use more if you want more spicy. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds kaskas, 10 peppercorns, half teaspoon haldi powder, turmeric powder, half teaspoon jeera, cumin seeds, 4 cloves of garlic, small bowl of tamarind. We'll grind this mixture. One cup of bowl of red cowpeas, alsande, boiled. 2 medium sized potatoes which I have cut into pieces, cubes. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Curry patta, 2 medium sized onions sliced, 1 medium sized tomato sliced, 4 green chilies slit, 1 stick of cinnamon, 6 pieces of cloves, 1 small ginger cut into strips, 3 pieces of kokum, sala, 250 grams of pork which I have salted overnight and cut into small pieces, and salt as per your taste, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll add this masala into mixer. All these ingredients. Add water as required. We'll grind this mixture into fine paste. Our grounded masala is ready. Here I have pan with me with 2 tablespoons of oil which is nice and hot. Now we'll add our onions and tomatoes. We'll saute it till it is nice and translucent. Our onion and tomato is done. Now we'll add all these ingredients. We'll add our pork. Mix it well. We'll cook it for 2-3 minutes. Now we'll add our masala. Water, salt as per your taste, potatoes, mix well. We'll cook this on medium flame for 25 to 30 minutes. Our curry is almost done. Our pork is cooked and our potatoes are cooked. Now we'll add the boiled cowpeas. We'll stir it well and cook for another 5 minutes on medium flame. Our curry is ready. Now let's plate it up. A Goan coconut curry with salted pork, potato and red cowpea is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.